Land of Color-Saurus, where colors bloom and dinosaurs roam. Two best friends are about to go on a bright and bubbly quest.
Hey, Daisy! Do you hear that?
It sounds like bubbles and sparkles.
That's the Rainbow Volcano. It doesn't erupt lava. It erupts glitter and bubbles, but only dinosaurs who know their colors can reach it.
Let's go on a Color-Saurus Quest.
It's past this way, say what color I am.
Can you help us? What color is this flower? Yellow!
Correct-a-roo, you may pass.
We did it! Look, a clue.
The Rainbow River is flowing fast, but don't worry. The lily pads appear when you mix the right colors.
Let's try it.
Red and blue make purple. Yellow and blue make green. Yellow and red make orange.
Look, footprints, but they're only shadows.
Let's match them with the right paint color.
Nice matching, you're nearly there.
We made it!
Because you knew your colors, the Rainbow Volcano will now erupt.
We mixed and matched and found our way through colors bright and shades of play. Glitter flies, the sky's aglow. Hooray for the Color-Saurus show.